friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. For today's video, I'm going to cash up our paychecks. I already budgeted it. So before I count the money, let me explain to you. I'm doing a zero-based budget, and the money that I will allocate it here, the period is from September 8 to October 6, because our salary come for the first week of the month or the last week of the previous month. So for this month, there's only one salary that arrived because my husband have no salary that we need to wait for, because it's an when he go for a vacation, it's an unpaid leave. So I only have my salary here, but my children, my two daughters, contributed 6,000 so that I can have this amount, 23,500. They know the situation, and my daughters know why their father need to stay there for a certain period of time. And we have a project that going on in the Philippines, so that's why my husband have to go there. So I already read down our budget. So for the total amount of this one is 23,500 with some deduction, which I already paid this one, and deduction for my hobbies allowance and for my saving challenges last Wednesday. So the total amount of the money that I will cash off today is, hold on, 20,380 plus 500. So it's 23,000. So let's check if there's a 23,000 on this money bag. But before that, so let's summarize this one. So for the income is 23,500 minus the expenses, which is 20,880 minus the sinking funds. So for sinking funds, I only have this category that need to cash up because we don't have much. We have a low income this month, so let's just do it like this first. And for that, it's 2,120. So if you total it all, it's a zero balance. Let's show you. I will show you first. 23,500 minus expenses and allowances minus the debt, and 500, which is go to the sinking fund. So if there's no leftover after the deduction of my bills and expenses, I will not put anything on my sinking fund. But we're still lucky to have 500 extra for the sinking fund. And the total amount now is zero. So all the money that come to from our paychecks, incomes, and contribution gonna be zero. So that's zero-based budgeting is, you know where your money goes. Okay, let's set aside and cut the money first. So this is all the money that we got for this month minus the deduction. And as you can see here, this is my tips, which I will allocate to my 52 weeks challenge maybe next week. But for now, I'll just leave it in here. I haven't spent it yet, and you know me, I'm not a spender. So let's keep it aside first. Okay, counts. Let's count the money. Yeah. Even though this month is a low income, it's still okay. I'm still grateful that I have money that will can pay all the bills and our necessities. It doesn't matter if I have extra, but as long as I have money to pay for the bills, expenses, and our food, and I'm really still grateful. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 3,000 plus 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,000. Okay. Plus, this is 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000. This is also 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2,700 plus 1, 2, 3, 300. So total of 23,000, which is correct. So now let's cut stuff and put it in here. So for our rent, let me get my bills binder and let's put it like this. So we don't have our savings or the payment for ourselves for now, and maybe next month we will have it, but for now it's okay. If we don't have, it's okay. We still have anyway. So far this one got 1, 2, 3, 8,300. So it's in the bank. So for my remittance first. Anyway, so for remittance, it's 750, but we don't have. So let me get this one first. Rent is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,500. Rent is 8,900. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9. 8,900. For my husband credit card, let me see. 2,120. 1, 2, 2,120. So for electricity, it's 900. Our electricity bill will come this month, maybe next week or next 2 weeks later. So I allocated here 900. I don't know how much our electricity bill yet, but I think it's less than 2,000 and it's only 900 here. So if it's not enough, I'll go to my month ahead binder and get some more money there to pay our electricity bill. Okay, so for water, how much? 80, $80. For gas or LPG, it's $80 too. Oh, we don't have much change. Okay, so this a priority bill. And next one is our holding binder. So for miscellaneous, it's 100. For hobby, it's 1,800. Let's me grab. Because this one is hard to control. Yeah. 1,800. 1,005, 6, 7, 8. We already get 200. because he started work already. And for food, it's 2,000. So there's a 4 weeks that we need to allocate for the groceries and food. So for food, it's 500. This is the money that we need to pay for our meats, fish, seafood, anything that we need to buy in wet market, and vegetables as well, and fruits. So for groceries, it's all the canned goods, um, also the toiletries is also here. Anything that's outside the wet market, it's here. So it's 2,000 also. By the way, there's a leftover money that I already kept somewhere, but I just took it out in here. I don't know where I put it, and I will reallocate it and reallocate it into saving challenges as well. So please wait for that. So for dining out, it's 500. For phone load or together with the bills, it's 650. So we don't have 50. Let me look for a change here. Where is it? Where I can look for a change. Hang on, hang on. Oh, I don't think I have it in here. Let's check. I saw the sign. Where is it? Here. So let's grab one, two, one, two. So 650 in here. And for my son's allowance, it's 1,320. So the school starts already last September 1st. So for now, I need to give him allowance because her sister is contributing to this one. Actually, last year, my two daughters is the one who give his school allowance, but now they want me to handle it, and they just give me money for that, including for their contribution. I'll deduct 1,320 for their brother's allowance. So this one, I just put it right here. So this done, and let's go back to the bill because our remittance is not yet. Yeah, remittance 750 is for my mother-in-law for his living expenses and medicines in the Philippines. That's it, right? Okay. So for my allowance is 1,000, and I just put it aside. This is for my personal allowance for the whole month. And for the sinking fund, let me check. Oh, saving challenges is 300 because I already took 100. So where is my saving challenges book? So this for saving challenges, just put it aside in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 is for the sinking fund. So let's do it also here now on this video. So for sinking fund, I only allocated the important one, the priority one, which is the emergency fund, $50. So now it's how much? 4,100. I will update the tracker later. For education, it's $50 as well. So, so now education got 400. For travel, $50. So now got 300. For parent, this is a priority for me, for my mom and my mother-in-law. And if they need extra, so I can have something that to give it to them. So it's $50 each. So just put here 100. So they have now 750 or 800. No, 800 each. I haven't updated it yet. So 800 each. For Christmas, I allocated here 100. And for what else? Oh, for birthday and health. So for health, general health fund, this one, or consultation, I allocated here 50. And for my mom's birthday this coming October, which one? Yeah, here. I allocated here, hold on, hold on. $100. So that's it for all the money that come this month. So it's okay if you didn't put all of your sinking funds, as long as you pay your bills, your debts, all the necessary payments, it's fine. You can still allocate it next time that you have an extra money and you have your more income. So it's okay. Don't be stressed. Don't think too much. Don't worry. God will provide, and keep the faith and just hold on to God that everything will be fine. Just give it all to Him. So for all of you lovelies, if you happen to finish this, put a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And let me know if you like it by commenting, or what you will say about my cost topic today. I need some improvement on my videos, and I need your input. So thank you very much. That's it for now, and see you lovers later. Bye for now, and see you later. Be humble and grateful. God bless you all. Love ya. Bye.